Is unlicensed Adobe app is not genuine and will be disabled soon. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message that says unlicensed Adobe app is not genuine and will be disabled soon. So many people see this warning when using Adobe apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. And the easiest way to get rid of this specific pop-up is to remove the unlicensed version of your Adobe app. So on Windows, you can just go ahead and click on Control Panel and select Programs and Features, then uninstall the Adobe app showing the warning. But if you want to fix this, all you have to do is to go to your Windows and click on Settings. Now once you're on your settings, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security section and tap on Windows Security. And once you're on your Windows Security, go ahead and click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then it will automatically appear the Windows Security right here. So go ahead and scroll down until you see Advanced Settings. Click on that and click on Yes. And a pop-up of Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security will show. So you just have to click on Inbound Rules right here and click on New Rule. Then make sure Program is selected, hit on Next, and then copy the program path of Adobe. After doing so, you just have to hit on Next right here. Then select Block the Connection part and hit on Next. Make sure that every rule is applied, domain, private, and public, and hit on Next again, and type in the name of the program, let's say Photoshop. Then hit on Finish, and you will automatically see it right here. Now go ahead on the outbound rules and do just the same on that. So click on New Rule and hit on Program, hit on Next, then the program path, hit on Block the Connection, then Next, and make sure that everything is applied, domain, private, and public, and Next again, and rename it Photoshop. Then hit on Finish right here, and the pop-up of unlicensed Adobe app is not genuine and will be disabled soon will go away. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.